Hey YouTuber Jeff with Low Price Keys. How are you guys doing today? Today we're doing a beautiful red hot 2018 Ford Mustang. Customers has only one working key. There's his original key, and here is our new program key. Oh, by the way, there's our customer right there, nice and handsome. Let's go ahead and test the program key out. And here is your lock function, and here's your unlock function, and also the hatch or the trunk in the back that pops up. Very nice right there. And also your panic button. Boom. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And since this is a smart key, go up to the door and the door should automatically unlock the door for you. Once you're inside the car, the key should be programmed, and you'll be able to leave your key anywhere in your pocket or leave it on a dash somewhere. Just gonna go ahead and put it right there. Step on the brake and hit the push to start button right here. And boom, there it is, guys. Very nice, very nice. What a beautiful car this is. And you guys have these smart keys. Hey, give us a holler. We can be reached at 281-2504-334. Hey, and get a few words from our lovely customer right here. Tell us, how did we do today, sir? Here's your key.
Very, very good. I really needed a spare key because I didn't want to get into trouble. And this gentleman here came by, and he's been here for a while because it's not an easy job. But everything works just the way it's supposed to. Thank you.
Thank you for following us online. Again, this is Jeff with Low Price Keys. Check us out online. And again, as I always say, if you have one car key, get an extra key made before it's too late, and have a blessed day.